What's going on? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are in Long Beach, California, guys. It is Black Friday, one of my favorite days out the year. Everything opens hella early. It's a little before 6 o'clock. They do open here at 6 a.m. Let's go get in line, see what's going on. Just letting you guys know, we will be doing Black Friday week. We should be having plenty of content this entire week from Black Friday. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm kind of excited. See what happens. While we wait in line, let's talk about what we're wearing, or what I'm wearing. Got the LeBron 14s, mag colorway. I think that's my favorite colorway, these and the diamond colorway. But yeah, found these at the outlets, man.
Good morning. Thank you.
We finally opened up, you guys. Let's go see what's up. Go see what's up. So excited. I'm so excited. It is 30% off the entire purchase. And I actually see a couple dope things already. Holy crap, that's what's up. All right, it is kind of crazy because there wasn't much of a line. I did do a cursory search real quick. Didn't really find anything crazy. All right, let's go investigate. Let's see what's up. What the hell is this? Jordan, the Acg Mach 3s? What the heck? $100? These are awful looking. I don't know. I'm sure they're comfortable. Someone's gonna say those are dope. Got the drop type mids going for 85. I'm in the 10.5. Got some Kobe's. The AD NXT FFs going for 160. 30% off of that. 135 for these. The 720 818s. I'm a fan of these, man. Like more and more I see them, I like them. Let's see what these Shocks BB4s are going for. $75. Okay, that's not too bad. That's a size 10.5. Not really seeing much. I'm just curious about these prices. $70 for the Zoom Freaks. Okay. Prices are going down on those, okay. More of the regulars. There's no way that's $80. $180. We're in the size 11s. Got the Kyrie's going for 110. Got the glow colorway of those going for retail. Not really seeing too much. Pegasus 2 trails going for $130. Dang, I'm already in the size 12 and 13s. Like they really don't have much. They got some decent stuff in the aisles. So that might be where a lot of the savings are. Let's see what's up. Oh, this is actually a pretty clean colorway. Way too expensive though. $100, $70 after the savings. These are size 12, the Air Max 200s. More of these, the Zoom Freak ones, size 12. Got a few of them, all going for 90. PG4s, dang, those are going for $110. That's hella surprising. LeBron's, that's the Acg Mach, right? Acg Mach ones go for $160. That's 11.5. This is the Court Vision lows going for $50. These are actually pretty clean. These are going to be like 35 after the savings. Normally 75. Okay. That is a size 13. PG4s $110. Drop types. Going for full price. What the heck, man? All right, let's go check the smaller sizes. I think I'm in the back to size 10s or 9.5. One of those. Got the Vomeros going for $60. That's an interesting colorway. Kind of interesting. Okay. 9.5. The Jordan Metamorph Utilities going for $80. Size 9s. The Vapor Wings going for $65. Tennis shoes. Got more of these Kobe's NXTFF. These are size 8 going for $160. Proto Max going for $150. Whoa, that's interestingly high. Wow. Shocks BB4s going for $120. The PCGs. Size 8.5 going for full price, yeah. The Zoom types, all right. Yeah, let's go for retail. That's crazy. All right, let's look at the aisles and head out. All right, with 30% off, I think the aisles are going to be the best place to get stuff, especially with 30% off the entire store. Let's see what we find. Aerospace 720s are here. Mars 270s. I think they've been this price for a while. Another colorway of those. 2090s. Spirit on Cage 2s. Shocks BB4s. We got some Air Force One utilities with that extra tumbled leather. Leather's actually not too bad. $110 for those. Interesting colorway of the SC highs, SC trainers, right? Are these the Bo Jacksons? No, they're not. But yeah, pretty dope. Court Vision lows, Presto Reacts. We got some of the LeBron John Elliott's. Zoom type. Oh, okay, because we saw these for $150. That didn't make sense. All right, that makes sense. At $70. React Visions. Whoa, these are dope. Kind of looks like yellow though. I do like it, but kind of has like a yellow look, which they're cool. All right. I take back my wow. $60 for this. Do have plenty of sizes. 8 all the way to 11 and a half. 100 for those bad boys. Dang, I just realized after the 30% off, these come out to what, $42? Holy crap, that's actually really cheap. I think this is the last Air Max 90 right here. 270 racks. More 270 Reacts. Dang, they got a few of these, wow. Are the prices? No, the prices are the same. What the heck? Oh no, this one went down a little bit. And 70 for those after the discount. 720s for those. Got some Air Max 720s. The 720 818s. I'm kind of a fan of these. These all black ones are pretty dope. Not that price. If it falls, maybe. Air Max 2 Lights. Another one of those. I've never seen this color. Okay. Yeah. Some Tailwinds. React Prestos. Drop type premiums. Still being given away, dang. Oh snap, they do have a bunch of Element Reacts. Prices have they gone up on these? What the heck? Okay, there we go. I'm like, I've seen them plenty for $50, $60. Okay. And these are the Element React 55s. Then some more Air Max 2090s. Alright, we have seen a few of these, the Space Hippie 4s at the outlets now. Oh dang, got some PGs, okay. We did see those for what, $50 at a bunch of the retailers though. Kyrie Low 3s, Kyrie 6s. Got some the 16 lows of the LeBrons. Oh no, these are the 17 lows, my bad. And the last one of the LeBron 17 lows. So I did notice these when I walked in earlier. The Nike Elite backpacks go for $60. You did get another 30 off. Do have them in quite a few colorways. I don't know what the heck, what kind of backpack this is. This is for hoops though. $60, normally $85. And then you got these, the Jordan 12 backpacks. I got me one of these, $55. You did get that 30 off. These are dope. I'm a huge fan of these, man. You got leather on the strap, probably synthetic leather, but yeah, the straps are nice and thick. Does have padding on the back. These are dope. Seeing what's up with the women's section now. Not really seeing much though, kind of same as the guys. Tailwind 4s, size 6 going for 75. Seen these. We saw these at Foot Locker for like $79.99. They are going for $125. That's size 6. They do have a few of these though, size 6.5 as well. What these Air Max 90s going for? 6. It is a size 6, $74. Not too bad, especially with that 30% off. Got a couple of the React 270s. 117 each. These are both 6.5. Then we're in the size 8s because there's just not much. 270 Reacts going for $100. Got a couple of those. Both size 8. 8.5. More React 270s. These are going for $120. Dang, it's like a 270 React Fest. What the heck? Another size 7. Another size 8.5 going for $110. Some Daybreaks going for $65. Same size. I want these Pegasus Turbos going for a size 9.5. Yeah, I go for 80. Some Pegasus 37. These, oh dang. Okay, I was like, these aren't Pegasus 37, these are turbos. Go for 85, okay. Size 9.5. These are Pegasus 37s. Okay, yeah, these are going for 85. Vomero, size 10, go for 65. That's been the same price for, I think, what, like 6 months now? Wow. Alright, we're checking out the aisles. See what happens. Not really finding much. And it's like kind of disappointing for the first stop. You guys, Tailwind 4s, more Tailwinds. I've actually never seen this color Tailwind. 270 Reacts. Got a couple more of those. Dang, the price just went up, huh? Dang, price went up even more. And then these finally went down in price. Okay. We've seen these Daybreaks at a few other spots. The price is hella cheap on this. It's just an interesting colorway with the salmon and the light blue. Okay. We're not finding much. We're gonna go to the kids aisles too. Let's see what happens. More 270 Reacts. We're like inundated with 270 Reacts today. The Presto Reacts, the all black with the white midsole. Okay, these ain't bad. LeBron's James games going for $115. Zoom Freak 1s. Flyknit Elevation 23s. 617 23s. This just has like a weird name. And then the DMPs. I saw these in the corner of my eye. I was like, what? The DMPs? No, the DMP colorway of the 270s. Air Max 200s. Bunch of these 200s. Wow, the price is going down and down. Another one of those. I think the last one. Oh, and I didn't notice these. These are dope. These are dope. The Air Max 90s. The really The cool thing I really love about the kids Air Max 90s, or this part, is not nylon, it's all leather. So I actually kind of prefer the kids ones over the adult ones. Man, I want to salvage this. I want to find something. The Jordan backpack was dope, but I haven't really found much. Let me go through the apparel section, see if we find something. Alright, the savings today might be on apparel, dude, because this jacket right here, it says normally 60. I think this is way higher than 60. I don't know. But yeah, $55. You did get that 30% off. Fleece jacket, pretty dope, size large. Dope Jordan t-shirt, $20, normally $35. Nike hoodie, this is a 3XL though. But yeah, it's down to $28, normally $50. And this extra bright jacket, this is a small, this is going for $42. And you get 30% off, remember that? And wait, I did forget to show you guys, there is a little Jordan section right here with the clothing, which is pretty dope. It's in the regular aisles right here. I forgot this area. Let's see what's up here. More t-shirts for $15, but you do get 30% off of that. So what are these, $10.50? That's pretty dope. Just a plain Jumpman t-shirt. Oh, I got it in gray as well. And then, of course, got it in red as well, right? $10.50, not bad. These are like super soft. They got a couple of the LA ones. That's pretty dope. No crazy sales on these. These are $35, normally $45, but we've seen it at that price. I guess you do get that 30% off though. $45 for these hoodies. Okay. They got more $15 t-shirts. Jumpman with the Air Jordan logo on it. Okay. Nike Air/Wings logo on it. Okay. A couple of those. Does have the same logo on the back. Got them in gray and also got them in black, all $15. They got some of the Jumpman LA merch. These are all going for $15. Got plenty of sizes too on most of this stuff. This one is actually just XLs. Got the huge Jumpman logo shirts. I actually got a couple of these. I think I got the black one and the white ones right there. Those also come in red. And the Jumpman LA t-shirt, we've seen these as well. Well, okay, if you like jerseys, if you're a Rams fan, you can get golf jerseys. You do get it for retail, but you do get that 30% off, so maybe that's worth it. Got a bunch of t-shirts. Also have sweatshirts as well. The hoodies, they're going for $70. Yeah, man, kind of underwhelming, guys. Sorry to start the week off with such mediocre deals. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up and we'll head to the next way, guys. All right, you guys, that was it. Didn't really find too much, man. Kind of killed my buzz. I was so excited to be hitting up the outlets, especially on Black Friday weekend. We really didn't find much. Yeah, like I said before, we're gonna be checking out Black Friday deals all week because I'm gonna hit up a bunch of stores. Well, not today, so might as well show you guys what I see. Yeah, hope you guys were out there. Hope you guys were grinding. I hope you guys found some deals. I hope you guys had a better trip than I just had. And we know that Nike outlets are a hit or miss. And you know, that's that Nike outlet gamble. So we'll see what happens, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys watching the video. Definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end. Make sure you help our boy out, press that like button. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell if you are new to the channel. I do drop a whole lot of videos. If you like these sneaker vlogs, Nike outlet videos, stuff like that, you're gonna want to check out my channel because I do drop a whole lot of stuff, you guys. And yeah, see you guys next one.